Hello, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you my simple idea how to get some cheap buttons to your electrical projects. So, let's go. First you'll need a screwdriver set, soldering station and optionally multimeter. And, the most important, old mechanical keyboard. I got one used and it's not working, so it will be ideal for this purpose. Now, I'm gonna to take off all the caps. And now, I have to unscrew few screws. And here we go. Now we can test if it works as we would like it to be. And as you can see, the buttons works as the normal open monostable switches. So I'm going to unsolder it from the PCB. Let's take it out, and here we go. To make more sense, I projected and 3D printed the caps and the holder. You can also use casual keyboard buttons as well. And now is the time to quick assembling it together. It fits tight and gives nice feeling when clicked. I will use it in my future projects for sure. That's all. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comment if you want me to make more. It matters a lot for me. You can also check another videos on my channel. Thank you.